Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in 3 minutes.
Alright guys, we are talking about X crypto now, technical analysis. We are looking at a daily time frame. We talk about it on the 5th or can't remember exactly when, but I think on the 5th of October, expecting a bearish trend, possible bearish trend, which happened. However, expecting it to stop on the trend line, and you can see we break down this trend line. So now this trend line is not anymore a support for us, it's a price resistance, which is not that nice because we clearly under it now. We've been testing it one time to get back yesterday, we didn't. We are testing it right now today. The candle of course is far to be completed, but at the moment this is going to create some resistance for us to keep going bullish. On the other hand, we see our lagging here, stuck here. I can tell you by experience using Ichimoku, you will realize that a lagging, usually on a daily time frame, never break a big candle, and those candles are big. And I know you guys will say, oh, but there is a space in between here, we can go. If it happens, that's what will happen, we will go here, but usually never. This resistance is too big. We get through candle if we have like 3 doji candle or something looking like this one here. You see those candle here, that could be an escape, but not big candle like this. So as per the lagging, I expect to see a bearish trend. That's an indication of a bearish trend for me. But of course, you can't just look at one element, one indicator and think, okay, that's for sure going to go bearish. Let's go, I'm shorting the stock. You can't do that. So you need to really look at other indicators, and you do see this trend line that is not part of the Ichimoku. You can trace your trend line. You have to trace a trend line, and it's nothing to do with Ichimoku. However, it does show us what might happen to the candle, some resistance, and it also works the trend line with the lagging. If the lagging get close to the trend line, it also react to it. It has repercussions. So at the moment on a daily, that's what we can see. As per the cloud, it's ranging. It starts to be ranging because the SSA is getting flat. So we might just go as we are today, staying in between the 0.40 to the 0.38 and be ranging until Monday. And it looks like it's going to be as usual ranging every weekend. Every crypto is doing it. However, we get a forming Kijun daily flat and a Tenkan daily flat, so we will eventually go into it. Is it going to be today? I duped because of this, but eventually this one will keep ranging, getting away, and we gonna go inside it. Maybe we're going to go after the 12th of October, maybe before, but we will go into it, that's for sure. Now quickly, 4 hours time frame, how many minutes? Okay, 3 minutes. Sorry guys, it might take another minute. We got also an information here, the lagging on a 4 hours time frame got the trend line here. So if this lagging start to head down toward our trend line, it's going to create resistance. It's exactly what happened here. Exactly here. You see this one here, it got in, get a bit down and back into it. So basically it means we tested the downtrend, rejected the downtrend, back into a bullish trend, and then now we're going to go head back most probably into a downtrend, break down or not, but we're going to test it. We have to test it a couple times, usually 3 times. That will be the second time if we do it today. We want it to happen eventually today or as soon as possible to have a proper clear vision of what's going to be the tendencies. But at the moment, clearly, we break down, go up, we try to break down again and we failed. So yeah, actually it's the 3rd time, my bad. We break down 1 time, another time, and today or after tomorrow or by Monday we should break down again and have the 3rd test, and this test will be the result for us. Are we going to keep going bearish or bullish? So that's some indication you guys can look at to know where the price is heading toward. Anyway, that has been almost 5 minutes now. Sorry for that. I'll see you later for another video. If you like this kind of video, technical analysis, I recommend you to watch more of them and to install Ichimoku Cloud. It's very useful. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Style I Create YouTube. Ichimoku technical analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Style I Create on YouTube. Subscribe.
Bye.